Hello there. So yeah, that's very exciting. I got a new build out. In fact, we got a. I usually leave the major builds until we show you guys, but it was basically getting the weapon system working. So a magic weapon and a
Hmm.
primary and a secondary thing. I released that, and Mikey did a quick video. But Mikey, do you want to show it off on the stream?
I'm gonna have to push some buttons, so please.
Push some buttons. But yeah, so we now have magical weapons. These are all very placeholder, and they are not balanced. Hello, Governor. They are not in any way balanced. They are massively
Nope.
overpowered. But when I start moving into a class-based system, so where the player and the NPCs can be a specific class, the specific class has access to specific weapons, and when we get to armor, it'll be a little easier to balance. I'm also going to change it so that NPCs with magic weapons don't run all the way up to you with them and do them from afar.
They're a bit suicidey at the moment.
Yeah.
I've hidden my OBS. Please hold technical
Boop,
difficulties.
boop, boop, boop. So yeah, I was very happy with the way I got the secondary attack working. The firewall. I've been playing with particles enough now that I could just make it and not have to play around too much. Like I knew which buttons to push without having to look up anything, and it was good. Oh, you've got a thing up there. I can't see it on my screen here,
Hang
but I can
on
see
a
the 30 seconds ago.
second.
Ooh,
There we
it's
go.
glitchy.
It is a bit glitchy at the moment.
Why is it glitchy?
I'm to render Blender at the same time as running a 3D program, but there we go. Let me just kill
Ah.
this frame. Boop. There we go. That should tidy that up.
I mean, I've been rewatching Mr. Robot, so maybe I'm just like about to change like
Maybe.
plot lines.
Oh.
Ooh.
Goddo isn't responding.
This is this is our most professional stream yet.
Well, it's a live stream, but I'm going to push this button here, so you can entertain them while I'm fixing this.
Oh, you fixed it.
I know, right? It's called Sod's Law. There we go. Let's go back to it. So I can do this by just jumping into game and playing.
So here we are
Nice.
in the world, and we've seen this a few times. So currently, the magic weapon, there's one inside the main dungeon at the starter chest, and one at the foot of the stairs in the
Boys.
procedural dungeon. I like the boids. The boids are fun. While we're doing this, we don't really have a topic for this one, but if you guys have any questions or thoughts, also, after we've shown you this, I will talk a little bit about the Go Godot Jam 2, which is just opening today, the whole festival, and I think it's 2 weeks before the actual game jam part.
So we now have a scepter that you can equip, which
Mhm.
is a sparkly ball on a stick.
I do like the sparkles. Like if you zoom into the actual ball, I put a little particle effect around the thing.
And it does have an area of effect. It's essentially a grenade launcher. But
And
this,
a flamethrower.
yes, there is this other mode, which is pretty awesome. Let's just attract everybody's attention. Go nope. Zoom out just a
Good nooping.
little. Whoosh. But that attack does use all of your stamina, so it is risky. Look at that.
And you can only do it if you have full stamina. That's kind of fun.
Oh, yeah, that's got to be the the screenshot for one of the thumbnails. Have it?
You weren't at full stamina.
Nope. But that is really satisfying.
So as you can see, it's ridiculously overpowered.
Yes.
But it's a good start for a magic system. Dead centipede.
Have we got any of? Because last time a load of them had magical weapons.
Well, it's randomized.
I know, right?
Do do be do.
I just want to see the suicidal ones again. Any of you lot? One of you's got it. Right, you three, come with me. Ah, hello. Do do do. Come on and do the conga. Do do do.
Why did you go to War of the Worlds there.
I don't know.
Oh, you fluffed it.
I did. But I can stand here and they'll just kill themselves. Maybe.
Will they? Will they?
No! He was stood off just to the side.